The Sony A7R4, a 61 megapixel camera. Is this camera still the best camera of this time? Well, the answer is yes and no. Let's find out why. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony A7R4. Let's get going. I say that and I don't even know where I'm meant to cut. I literally got this package right, and it had my address on both sides. So just to even peel this off, for example, I've had to dent everything here, lol. Interestingly enough, this seems like a... Okay, hopefully I didn't damage the camera, lol. Let's see how... Oh, that did open up nicely. Very good. And we opened it up the wrong way. That's even better. Lol. As you can see here, I'm just going to try shimming it out. This shouldn't damage it because, as you guys have seen in the past, lol, some of the packages I've received, they've been beaten. They've been traumatized by the couriers. Wow, this has created such a mess. I need to make sure I clean all of this, and then, wow, what the hell is that? Anyways, then I'm gonna have to hoover all of this. Nice. Breaking my watch in the process, smashing it onto my onto our table, lol. Anyways, this A7R4, if you've clicked on this video, you probably already know it's been out for a while now. Sorry, I need to concentrate on that little cut. There we go. So yeah, it's been out for quite a while now. Many years. I only got it because it fits what I need it for. So we'll quickly go over all the sides of the box. So this is the front. Let me just put it in front of my face so it focuses, hopefully, and I'll show you another angle in a second. So the side, another side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. So just to show you once again with some better close-up, basically, this is the front of it. Well, the top, the front, and then I think the most important part that you guys will want to like screenshot and look at is this, because this is where all the detail is of everything. So I'll do a quick pan there for you, just so you can have a read. But we will obviously go over all of this. Anyway, so let's quickly go over everything here. So here it says a 35mm full frame, 61 megapixels. It goes from ISO 100 to 32,000, 10 frames per second. So you could basically just hold down the click of the shutter and it will just take 10 frames in a second. I think it has like a buffer. I have read and like I've seen elsewhere, because obviously this camera's been out for ages, that the shutter, like, it has quite a long buffer time. Anyways, phase detection, there's autofocus point of 567, which is really good in my opinion. Real-time eye autofocus. Sony, obviously, as you all know, Sony has software, the firmware tracks your eyes to get focus, which is so good. Real-time tracking, silent shooting, if you were to ever photograph weddings, etc. It's got the silent mode. 5-axis steady shot inside. Excellent. Dual slot UHS 2. This isn't really that great. Basically, you can use V90 cards with this, and that's what you do need if you want to do like 10 frames per second. But the UHS 2, are they really great? I use CF Express cards. this only takes UHS 2. Just in comparison, for example, the Sony A7R5, that does take CF Express as well. So, yeah, I think there's a bit of old tech, if I'll be honest. However, I'll come to why I got this. Touch focus, HLG hybrid, long gamma, and then USB 3.2. Excellent. So it's got the XMR CMOS sensor. Obviously, it's full frame. Bions X. Now, Bions X is pretty old. There's new interfaces out, but I'll be honest. So I'm somebody that used what do you call it? Old cameras. So I don't really. As long as all the functions are there, I know some people want to get to, oh yeah, this needs to be correct, blah blah, because they're trying to shoot live events and stuff. This isn't live. This is in a controlled environment what I film. So for me, anyways, it's perfect. XAVC. This anyways, Dolby Audio, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, UXGA, OLED, TrueFinder, SDHC. Wow, and it's got HDMI. Oh, so it's multi, so there's other stuff, NI and HDMI. It's giving a bit more information here regarding some other stuff. But yeah, I think that's what's actually all the accessories that you can get. Anyway, the bottom of the box, supplied accessories. This is what I want to know. Battery charger, rechargeable battery, which is the NPFZ100. Fits the Sony FX3 as well. Power cord, USB-C, shoulder strap, cable protector. I'm interested in that shoulder strap. My FX3 doesn't have a shoulder strap. Anyways, lol. Before I actually begin the full unboxing, which is why you're all here, I just want to explain why I got this, because I'm the kind of guy that always has a story whenever I do an unboxing. If you guys watch my videos, you already know. There's obviously timers and chapters in my videos, so do skip along if you just want to see the unboxing itself. But anyways, why did I get this? I got this because it fits my criteria of what I want to do in my studio. I don't need anything better. There are so many better cameras out already. But I got this because it does 4K. I need 4K, 24p, 30p maximum. I normally film with 24p. It doesn't have 10-bit. This is a problem. But is it? It's not for me, because I didn't want to throw in the extra money, because even though it's only 8-bit. By the way, guys, you need to watch a video regarding 8-bit and 10-bit. There's a huge difference in color. However, 8-bit is sufficient. Why? This is actually a B, not a B cam. Yeah, actually, it's my second camera. So I film normally primarily with the FX3, which you guys are looking at me through now. But this is my second camera where I cut into here and there, like when I'm doing other videos and just talking. Just to try and make it a bit more entertaining. Sorry, my nose is very itchy. I've been unwell. Anyway, and the main purpose I actually got this is because it's 61 megapixels. It's sufficient. It's overkill, if I'll be honest. Because you use anything above 33 is overkill in my opinion, because it's unless you're going to do large prints. But I like zooming into photos. It's just something that satisfies me. I like zooming into photos and just, I don't know, looking into my eye and stuff like this. I know it sounds silly, lol. Anyway, I primarily got this because I'm not only going to be using this for YouTube and stuff. It's to do photography of whatever I unbox, or even just other photography things. So for photographers, this is an excellent camera. Anyways, let's begin with the unboxing. Let's not waste time. How does that feel? Lol. Anyways, so I've opened 2 sections in one go. Here we have the manuals as per usual. And as per usual, you know what I am going to be doing all. You know, let's say 3, 2, 1, and whoever took a screenshot and submits it to me. Do you know what? I should start doing prizes for this. Lol. Anyways, I'm putting that to the side because I don't really need that right now. Okay, this is interesting. What the hell is this? This is It looks like it's for the hot shoe. Interesting. Let's open this up, shall we? See what this actually is. I don't know what this is. This doesn't even say it in the back. Oh, I know what it is. I think it's for the HDMI. To basically have a slot for the HDMI. I've actually got a... Yes, I'm so silly. I should have read it. It says it there. HDMI and multi. It's basically just to keep it in line. I've already got a full cage for this, so... I shouldn't have thrown it like that. Yeah, but I've already got a full cage for this, so I'm not too fast. This is a USB-C to A cable. As you know, I don't really use these. I like to have them because I have a lot of hard drives and stuff that I potentially would use them on. But you can use it like directly. I am so happy that I can see this right now. I've really wanted... Wow, this is embroidered. It damn better be. This was such an expensive camera. Sony A7R4. Do you know what? I'm going to open it up for you. Because I think... See, I would like to see this in other unboxings. Wow, Sony A7R4. Very nice. I'm going to definitely keep this on the camera. Even though I'm not going to use it, I like it. It looks very, very nice. I really... You know, I'm so happy with this already. Lol. Let me just quickly put it back the way it was. Anyway, that wasn't the way it was, by the way. But anywho, lol. I'm expecting some batteries. I can't even see where my hand's going. Yep, battery. Similar to the FX3 box. So this is the battery. As you all know, I use a power cable, a power delivery system directly. So batteries ain't too big of a thing. I don't have extra batteries. If any of you do have that question, I don't use extra batteries. I just keep that because I don't have use for extra batteries. This is a charger. Again, I'm already using one charger. I don't know if I'm gonna need this out. I'll keep it. I'll probably just leave it in the box if I'll be honest, because I don't know if I'm gonna be needing to use it because I've already got another charger, and this is obviously the power cable. I'll obviously at the end do a lineup for you guys so you guys can see everything that came in the box. Now let's look at the camera, shall we? Okay, this is heavy. I like it. I like it when it's heavy. Let's put the box to the side. And let's take this out now. So this is the first look. And this is my first look as well at the A7R4. Interesting. Very, very interesting. This is very, very interesting. I like it. I'm just thinking... See, I'm not going to even hold it like this because my cage has a hand thing that I can put it in. So 4K steady shot inside. It's got a lot of these dials which I will be presetting because I don't actually preset my FX3 because I film in S-Log, Cine S-Log or S-Log 3, just whichever one I feel comfortable with. This is, sorry, I forgot to mention, this is the Sony A7R4A. I should have mentioned that. It's the A7R4A. So the only difference is the LCD screen here is much higher quality. That's all it is. So just have a look here. That's the LCD screen. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, the viewfinder's still apparently not that great in these cameras, but yeah, anyways, on and off switch, standard DSLR. My FX is button there, the menu button's here, and the FX is actually here, and there's the mode button there. Anyway, let's not compare this to the FX. They're two different type of cameras. This is mainly for photography. Anyways, hot shoe mount there, and viewfinder, interesting. I haven't even used a viewfinder in so many years, but yeah, you can do presets through here. So the front here, it's obviously got the sensor, so I will show you that. But firstly, what I did want to show you is just the logo here, the A7R. R is for resolution, so they do A7s, A7S, and then A7R. R is mainly for photos, S is for video, and so basically better at that, and I believe A7 is more hybrid for everything. This is the thread on the bottom, battery slot. This is where you put the cards in, the US, the SD and the USH2 cards. Hopefully you can see that. I don't like this. I'm sorry. I'm being a bit silent because I'm just trying to think. The FX is hooked in. I know that all the Sony cameras are like this. It's so like, can you hear this? Fidgety. Anyways, let's open this. This is where the power delivery goes in. Hopefully you can see there. And here, let's see what goes in here. Okay. It's probably the mic, headphone slot, and little HDMI. It actually says it here. Hopefully you can read that. Anyway, let's close that. None of these parts open. Oh, this part does open up, I believe. Or if it doesn't, I'm breaking it. Lol. This is interesting. I believe this is a very, very old port for filming. Anyways, do you know what? I'm not gonna guess. This is interesting. Probably Google that, read up on that, what that is. But I'm going to show you the sensor quickly. So the E-mount, as you all know, this is the sensor. Very, very nice, clean. I say that, lol. One other difference of this and like later cameras is the fact that this only flips out like this. Whereas, for example, the A7R5, it flips out and goes sideways as well. I actually like this. This is good enough for me. I don't even use that section, lol. I'm maybe to view stuff, but whenever I take photos, yeah, I do actually. I will bring it out a bit. But anyways, I need to put a screen protector on. This is already annoying me that I'm getting fingerprints. It's really, really bugging me. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick lineup for you all, just so you guys can see everything in one shot. Whilst you're viewing that, I'm just going to go over a few more stuff. So this image processing engine is very, very good. You can shoot this, and it has two modes of animals and humans. So this is what it can track. It's got a blur reducing structure. There's a shake-free remote that you can also get for this, for the shutters. This is, as I said, something that you would purchase if you want to do high quality prints. I'm going to film in 4K, 8-bit, as you know. You can shoot up to 68 images continuously, and I believe that's when the buffer happens. I think some people have also said 78. You can connect this to an app, for example, the Monitor Plus app, which is really, really good for Sony products. I don't really use the imaging app, but yeah, so there's wireless tether functionality. You can obviously control this with your PC. And one of the main things is this doesn't have a recording limit. That was another main reason I purchased this, because there is no recording limit. Obviously, as a photography camera, you can put a flash on this. This is actually pretty heavy in my opinion. I believe it weighs around 2 kg. Yeah, hopefully this was enough information to provide you with, and something that hopefully will help you make a decision if you want to purchase it still or not. Ha! Here we are once again. We need to stop meeting up like this. Lol. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, do pop a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Comment down below if you have anything that you want to say to me, and I will hopefully respond back to you. Let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.